Okay, good evening you all.
Good evening, sir.
In this tutorial as a spoken English teacher, I've given you many different topics and I do believe that you will try to explain about your viewpoint related to the topics as what is given to you. First and foremost, you know that what is much more formal, you have to give your introduction, then we'll try to demonstrate your presentation which is playing in your mind. So let us start without wasting time.
Yes,
so I think that you are the initiator. Please
Yes, sir.
guide.
So hi guys, Shambho here. So today in our tutorial, our respected sir gave us an important topic, that is using technology in education purposes, education field, and its pros and cons. Obviously, everything exists in the world carries some advantage and disadvantage, and we are the team here using the and talking about the advantage and disadvantage today. So as an initiator, I would like to start with the advantages. Obviously, first of all, what drag my attention more, that is visualization. When we are talking about technologies, first thing hit in our brain, that is different gadgets. Maybe it is a laptop, maybe it's a PC, maybe it's a mobile phone, and so on. So what is visualization? When we adapt video and audio at the same time, that is called visualization. Actually, implementation of technology in the educational field is morely likely to the Western culture. But yes, it is a dream like to us in India and other Eastern countries. But today it is happening because the open business and economical different policies, and we are adapting the technological era today also. Actually, when we are as a student, I would like to say, when we go to a particular student and ask him about a study, maybe he cannot answer, but when we talking about a particular cinema to him, he can thoroughly brief that what the cinema it is, what the gist is,
Who is the
they are
producer?
who is the
Producer, actor,
and
filmmaker,
different
etc.
cast, and every fine details he can explain. Why? Because when he or she is watching a cinema, he can adapt the audio and video at the same time. So it's mean that the adaptation power is more better than any other things to cinema. Same things we have to implement in education. If we can implement audio and video at the same time in education, then the different education methods will be last long in a student's brain. And next thing is practical based education, because today smart work is as relevant as hard work. Without smart work, it is really very hard for a student to sign out in their future, and practical based education can only achievable with the technological help. Because suppose if we are talking about an engineer, so he can build very big machines, he can define very heavy theories, but at the end when we see
In the end.
that in the end, when we see that what did he analyze, we see that he can explain a theory very wellly, but he even don't know how to hold a screwdriver. Then it is a very important issue today, not only in the engineering field, in different fields. We can see that the students are mugging up the theory part very wellly, scoring a huge number in the examination, but when it comes when the question comes to a practical field, then we are falling down. So that's a really big problem, and we have to deal it technologically. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow. I've done a really good job in it. Now I'd like to come to you. What's your opinion?
Good evening, my dear friends. I'm Sudeep. I am class 5. My school name is Battery University High School. Today, in our tutorial, our lecturer give us a very nice topic for discussion. To starting my point, I want to first of all I want to mention that what is called technology. Technology is that thing which reduce human efforts. That's the main thing. Because it not only that, it also can less our time, because to do any hard work we should pay a lot of time, but when technology will come, then to do this work, that will become so easy for us, and many more. And I have an example that long years ago, people to do any work or to do study, like a new word they have found, but they don't know the meaning of it, so that time they should be found in dictionary many words, so that will become very tough, very tedious for them. And that is called hard work. But nowadays that will come to behind this hard work, smart work is also being play a very vital role. So that has become the main issue in here.
Very good. Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow. I've also done a very good job. Now,
Good
please.
evening. My name is Kaushik Das, and today my topic is using technology in modern education. Technology is essential of modern era. We are living 21st century, and we see that we are totally dependent on technology. Technology is a part of science. Even we think we are not depend technology easily because those are expensive. But other things technology save our time, and we know that time is money. Even technology save money. Computer, mobile, these are technical things. If we want to read more and more books, we find those in soft copy in computer and mobiles or etc. Even a student is good in technology sound, he is much better than other student. Even my friend also said that our brain is reading is a one type of boring process. Our students every day read many questions, many topics, but after a few days they did not remember 100%. But if we see a cinema, after a few days we also remember those
Watching a
things.
cinema.
Watching cinemas. After a few days we also remember those scenes because our brain capture easily which our eyes see. Practically, technology done this job and it's improve our practically knowledge. So I think technology is must be essential of our
Very good.
education.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Give a big hand to this fellow. Also, I've done a very good job.
I am
Now, please.
Suparna. Today our topic is using technology in modern education, pros and cons. We are stay in modern era and technology is important in this time. Technology is useful all field while technology is most productive in education. Which is not do by paper, which is not do by paper and hand. We do this by technology and also we store data painting by using computer. Technology is used in and technology is used where we do in practical by using electric gadget like computer. In this time when COVID is coming, our education has in danger, but this time technology help us. We do study by online, which is help us.
Okay. Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow. Also, I've done a very good job indeed. Please carry.
Hello my friends, my name is Sudeb and today our sir giving us a topic. Your topic name is using technology in modern education. At present, all over the world cover themselves with technological instrument. Nowadays, the presents are called modern era. Every each of persons are believed on technology because one and only technology called time saver. Its day by day improvement create more time saver in everyone's life, and it also create an impact on modern generations, modern educations. So how much student get advantage on education in modern era by dint of technology? Using graphics and make a video on particular subject, it's really helpful to know the depth of the topic or the certain chapter, and it will be help to know about the practically which are happen. And it also help for save the time for traveling. Student also save the time and he also store the energy or stamina which they normally spend to traveling towards their educations institutions. Many students like to read from private tutor and also they don't like to gathering. The help of technology, they also sit comfortable alone in their home and front of their mobile device, PC or maybe laptop.
Okay. Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow too. Also, I've done a very good job.
Good evening everybody. I am Somodi Bodok. I also demonstrate the other topics. That today our whole world is become to be the very advanced. So we are able to use the technology for the any purpose. So any purposes. So in the education purpose, in which student are just so poor, then in the higher education they have to not enough money to buy some book or buy some other thing. They can also able to the mobile phone for this purpose because in our modern generation by the mobile we are known to the whole world
With the mobile.
with the mobile phone. And in the higher education there is one or two book is not too enough for the and the good student are try to collect some the other method from the outside from the book. And if they have a mobile phone, they can use it for the education purpose. Even they can know to the whole world histories.
Okay. Thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow too. Please come in.
Good evening, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Simplata. I did in class 5 and student of GPS Model School. Now, in the modern generation, technology is used by everyone. It is very useful gadget. It is used in office, schools, and in many workplaces. For the example of technologies, computer, laptop, tabs, mobile phone, PC, and many other examples. In the previous time, we used to make a store of file, and if we find it again, it take time to. But now we can find it very easily, and we can save our time by the computer, laptop, and we can search in the mobile also. Mobile phone also help us in the previous time we use mobile for the communication, but in this time we use mobile for smartphone for sending emails, getting any information. But technology not only helps in our jobs but it also helps in the education purpose. By the technology we can do our classes by sitting in our home. In this time of COVID-19, technology also help us in very much in meetings, education, and very much for us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. We got to this kid. Also have done a very good job in it. Now, please.
So in the initial part, as I say that everything exists on the earth equally carries its disadvantage. So now my team will try to demonstrate about the disadvantage things, and as an initiator I would like to initiate first that first of all the problem dragged my attention more, that availability. Yes, even the government claim that in 95% of area the electricity is there, but I personally don't think that the data is correct. And even in the rural and semi-urban areas there is no internet connection. So without an internet connection and without a proper electrical facility, I don't think that the internet, the mobile phones or laptop are just a brick like. They even cannot help anything to construct, because without electrical support and internet support, the connectivity throughout the chain is happening with the technological method cannot be fulfilled. So availability is the main thing which I think it should be makeover really fast. And the government is thinking that where the facilities available, there the education should be in Western culture, and where the electricity and internet facility is not there, there the education method should be Eastern culture. So that is a wrong method, because at the end when we compare freshers from two different areas, we can see hell and heaven difference between them, because one fresher is fully upgraded. Actually he is so much easy with the modern generation, and other student who is from rural area, he cannot even make up the flow with the current generation. So that is really a very big deal. And next thing is, as a student I think it is a very important thing, is addiction. Yes, as there is COVID-19 situation, lockdown has happened, and other facilities had open, we have switched our education to online, and I myself has addicted more on the mobile phones, because hey, it is a true, I would like to confess that, because yes, mobile phone is such a platform where you have many things to explore. And it is also true that every addiction is not bad. If you have addiction of education and knowing other things, then it is very well. And otherwise, stalking different peoples in other social media platforms and browsing in hours and hours and streaming different social medias may be a time consumption thing. So that is really a bad thing, and we have to make it over fast. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please continue.
Yes, everything have its pros and cons. So in this topic, I coming to mention the cause of or the minus point. So basically, if we know that the technology is not always try to be used in every good works, because when my friend Samu is still right that we are being addicted with this. Not only that, and we try to being so much different in this technology, because when we try to do study in smart way or smartly, so that time we just forget the hard work. because many children are there who try to search Google accounts or many other words, so that way they can do cheating. So that is a very bad thing. Dependency is very bad. I don't tell use technology in your own way. Don't try to depend on
Okay,
it.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Give Biren to this group. Please
We
continue.
say that technology is helpful and make easily our life, but they have also a negative side. In 21st century, students are fully dependent on technical gadgets, and this also make a negative impact on his or her eyes, health. Because previous day we see lot of boys and girls, they are making crowd on field, and physical games helps to produce immunity. But modern era maximum field are crowdless because lots of students are attracted by his or her technical instruments, and those things did not build up a physical immunity, and that will be bad effects and his or her health, and they depends on doctor on very early stage on their life.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please continue.
Like all things, it has also bad side. Students study by technology, but it addicted students very much. They forgive their friend, they forgive play in field. They forgive play in field. It is
Even their social activities
they are
also
so-
disbalanced.
Also disbalanced.
Okay,
It is affected on their health, and many times children.
They just try to maintain their formality through that certain Facebook or WhatsApp, etc. But physical relationship, okay, that is also deterred.
It has
Okay.
made children also bulky,
Okay.
and many times children sitting on the front of computer hours and hours, and at the result of them, their eye was affected, and it's affected
Mentally also
their,
they
brain
feel
and
ill.
mentally. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Give a big hand to this fellow also. Has done another good job in this. Now, Karan, please.
Yes, the another cons I would like to say you physically communication problem, because by dint of using technology, maybe many students are using technology to by the help of or their help of online classes. So while they are online classes, they also forget the discipline, which discipline they little bit of develop in their school or college. They totally forget how to communicate with someone in physical way. So I look at that in mobile. Someone are getting an interview to wearing the very well suit in upper dress, and they don't try to wear this type of pants or which are very formal to go in office. They totally forget it. They just stand before the camera, and I think they also look their upper dress, and they totally forget the discipline, and they try to communicate in visualization, because and after that when they will go for their company to doing some jobs or etc., they also forget to they also disbalance the for physically communication problem. So it also
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Also give a big hand to this
I
fellow.
agree to all, and we can use the technology in the education purpose, but that is so harmful for our bodies, because in which time we get the book in the book page, like if we get give a same time in the screen, the computer screen or the phone screen, that is for it is so harmful for our body. There is eyes, but there is a full magnetic full of the magnetic system, so that's it harmful for our brain and etc.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, please.
But depending more in the technology in the education can also harmful for us, because if we have any problem in the offline class, we can ask to our teacher many times. Our teacher also can get the solution. But in the offline class, we cannot do it. We cannot ask to our teacher. It is also very harmful. It make a problem in our education also.
Online classes.
In online class, we cannot ask to our teachers. It makes a problem in our education. If we use technology every time, we can have eyes problem also, and
Many kind of problems can develop through that.
and on interest of hard working is very less can be happen. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now please.
Yes, so before signing out, I would like to say that rather to doing a different type of discussion by our sir and within our fellows, we have choose online platforms such as Facebook, YouTube for flourishing ourselves, for flourishment of ourselves, and I think by the social medias, the spectators being over the Facebook and YouTube will also understand that what is more important, why the using of technology in modern education is such important, and obviously its advantage and disadvantage. So that's all, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving your own presentation on participation in that certain kind of discussion. That's what has taken place. Then all of you have done your job, and it's really very good indeed. Thank you very much.